So I'm gonna go over this 200-inch projector screen. You guys heard me right. This is a 200-inch screen. So basically it's like having a 200-inch TV in your backyard. I'm just gonna take it out of the bag, set it up out here, and then tonight I'll put the projector on it and I'll show you what this thing looks like. Here's the projector that I use. I use these Crumsley. This is a 1080p home projector here, and this thing works great too. I always like it when there's a nice kind of like bag like this where everything is protected. There's the actual screen itself, and here's the stand, and it's very easy to set up. I've actually set up one of these in the past, so I kind of know how it works. There's some stakes so you can stake it down, and some guidelines, more guidelines, and that's pretty much everything in the bag right there. So let me go ahead, clean up all this, get it ready, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how easy this thing is to put together. And they actually have these labeled, look, 5 poles right there. Here's the 6th one. We've got 6 poles that we're gonna put all of these together. That's gonna be the frame. These are actually sandbags. I thought they were additional bags, but if you're on a beach or something like that and you need to put sand in it, that'll hold it down just in case the stakes won't. And you see how it's basically these push pins like this. Pretty simple. Same way with that, push pin right there. Open the legs up. What you're gonna do is loosen that. Just folds down like this. Check that out. I'm gonna put one right here. So here's the second one, just mash it down like that. Okay, there it is, everybody. Now, let me explain how I put this thing together. Basically, I laid it down on the ground and then slid the actual pieces through here. By the way, there is wind blowing. I might end up moving it. I staked it down right here, tied it off. I got to run one more stake and one more kind of top piece, but let me back up and show you how massive this thing is. This is a movie theater. Look at the size of this thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually move it up against my shed so the wind isn't blowing it, but it looks awesome. I can't wait to get this thing fired up at night. So let's go ahead, let's cut to some nighttime footage. Let me get the projector set up here, and we'll see how this thing looks. Okay, there it is, everybody. It's officially all set up. It's nighttime. Look at the size of this screen. This is absolutely amazing. Look at where my head is right here. I'm standing completely up, and look how high that screen is. There's the projector. It's set up. Let me walk over here to the corner and show you. And the movie I have here, this is a DVD playing, the very like sharp picture. One of my motion lights just come on. Let me move over here to the side. And then once you get it all set up, it's kind of like in place. And the best way to do it is put it up against the house, whether it's got a backdrop or something, so that way the wind doesn't blow it and it falls down. But this would be great for ball games. You can even play like maybe PlayStation or Xbox or something like that on there, play video games, or just do like we're doing, just do like a little backyard kind of movie night. This is almost as big as a full-on movie theater. Look how far back. I'm probably 25 feet back, and look at the size of that screen. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the TOWOND movie projector screen, 200-inch. See y'all in the next video.